welcome back to the channel, our growing community. And if this is your first time here, please subscribe, and to my returning subscribers, you're all welcome and I'm glad to have you here. So in today's video, we are going to be talking about aloe vera and how I use it in my hair care. So aloe vera is a super plant that has anti-inflammatory properties, which makes it a very good scalp treatment. It reduces dandruff, it helps to control excess sebum on your scalp, making it less oily. It is also a good conditioner that leaves your hair feeling very soft, shiny, and with reduced frizz. Aloe vera is fortified with vitamins A, C, and E, which helps to, strengthen our strands and making it possible for length retention and growth. Overall, aloe vera has been, a game changer in my routine. It's a great plant which I think everyone should try. And if you've used aloe vera in your hair care, just let me know in the comments below and let's get talking about it. So without further ado, I'm going to show you 3 ways I use aloe vera in my hair care. Let's dive into it. So here I'm starting with a freshly washed leaf of aloe vera, and I'm just going to cut my aloe vera into smaller chunks. I don't use the whole leaf, so I'm just going to cut out what I will need for about 5 days. This is because aloe vera has a fridge lifespan of about 5 days, after which it is not advisable to use because it oxidizes. So I try to make it in small batches. And here I'm just taking out the fillet and putting it in a bowl, or you can put it directly in your blender, just aesthetics. And just be gentle because this is quite slippery, and you want to make sure you do not hurt yourself. Some people use a spoon, but I find it easier when I use a knife. I just try to be very gentle to avoid any injuries. So this step is optional, but you can put in a little bit of water before blending if you would like. So just blend till you get a smooth consistency. And this step is actually important. You want to make sure you sieve your aloe vera gel, just so that you do not have particles in your hair, because this is going to be a leave-in spray. You can use an old cloth, you can use a sieve, but sometimes the sieve is not as good as I would like, so I prefer using my wig cap. And here I'm just pouring it into a spray bottle, and I'm going to be adding a few drops of peppermint oil for our scalp. And yeah, so the first way I use it is to moisturize my protective styles. It could be mini braids, could be long braids, however, I start by spraying a little water, and then I follow up with the gel or spray on my scalp. Make sure to get every part of my scalp, and then I focus on the length of my hair, focusing on the ends and making sure that all parts get saturated. I follow this up with my DIY hair growth oil, which I will be talking about soon. This has helped me a lot too, and I'm just going to put that in my scalp. Give myself a little massage. Guys, it's always good to massage your scalp whenever you can. This helps with stimulating blood flow and hair growth in return. So yeah, I'm just doing that here, and I'm also going to seal in the moisture with my DIY shea butter. And yeah, I do this most especially on the ends, because the ends of my hair have color and they are the most dry part of my hair. And so that's it for the first step. I do this every other day, or when I feel like my protective style is dry, I just spray, and that's it. I do it mostly at night, so yeah. And for the second way I use it as a two-in-one treatment, which is a prepoo and a detangler. So here you see that I have an abandoned bun. I had this for about a week, and yeah, I'm just showing you how I use my aloe vera. So I do not blend for this process. I just cut the gel into 2 bits, and then I use it on my hair, focusing first on the scalp before getting to the length of my hair. I use this process because I noticed that with blending, the gel is not thick enough, and this in return does not help with detangling. I find it easier to detangle when I put the gel directly from the leaf without blending. And so yeah, I'm just saturating this section, and usually I do this a night before wash day because it also serves as a pre-poo. This leaves your hair soft, guys, trust me. And if you've used it as a pre-poo, please comment down below. If you haven't, try it and let me know. So you can see I'm just taking my comb and finger detangling where possible. If you find a knot, please take that out gently. This also helps to avoid breakage, and you don't want to go through roughly with your comb. So yeah, I'm just combing through, and then I twist it, and that's it for the night until the next day, which is wash day. I wash it off, and my hair remains very soft, guys, even after using a shampoo, which usually strips out the moisture. So yeah, this is one of the main reasons why I love this aloe vera treatment. And yeah, and finally, I use it to refresh my old crystals. This is a twist style that I had for about 4 days, and I just do this to stretch the life of the hairstyle and give it a few more days. So I just gently section my hair, and here I don't really bother about the part. Going in with my rose water spray, and then I just take my hair in smaller sections, spread my aloe vera gel, and then I also lightly finger detangle. I make sure I saturate the entire length of my hair, and then I go in with my DIY butter, which I use in retwisting my hair. And so I do this all over, and this is what my hair looks like the next day after I take down the twist. Still feels soft, moisturized, not as defined as it be, but still looking very nice. So Thank you guys for watching this video once again. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and also let me know how you use aloe vera in your hair care routine. Thank you very much for watching, and see you in the next video.